It turns out Nevada students are struggling to understand math and English language arts.
Yeah, the Nevada Department of Education releasing data from the Smarter Balance assessments showing those proficiency gaps. Kate Houston breaks down the numbers and shares how students can get caught up.
It's devastating, honestly, to know that the students of Nevada are performing at such a low rate.
Due to the pandemic, 68% of students grades 3 to 8 participated in the assessment. Overall, only 41% are proficient in English. It's 26% in math. That's compared to 48 and 37% in the previous year.
I see a lot of foundational issues.
Steffanie Shapiro, a content tutor at Cultivate Academics, has noticed huge gaps in learning. Within CCSD, less than 40% of middle and elementary students are proficient in language arts. In math, it's less than 25%.
If you're not understanding that foundational concept, you're really at a loss and hurting as you're moving forward.
Shapiro says one-on-one tutoring can help students get back up to speed. For those struggling with language arts, she recommends reading out loud every day. Flashcards are a simple and convenient option to help with math and other subjects.
You can really see their confidence growing, and then in the classroom, they are performing typically much better than where they were at before.
Kate Houston, 8 News Now.
The Nevada Department of Education says it will use more than $1 billion in federal relief funding to address these academic and emotional needs of students. They plan to present and discuss this data at the end of the month.